Men's health. I guess it's one of the bane of our whole healthcare system. Our men, we know, have not been looking after themselves as well as they can, as well as they should. They historically, men do not access services as much as women do, and often by the time most men come to the services, they're really very ill, and very little can be done.
Men's health comes under the microscope. The numbers are alarming. That's according to medical doctor Sonia Nixon when looking at the mortality rate among both genders. She says men are not as keen on getting medical checks on a regular basis as perhaps females do.
Looking at the data for for mortality, death by our men in, I think it was last year, and it's frightening because of the 10 top causes of death, men lead. Cardiovascular, I think, is the number one, and especially if you look at things like ischemic heart disease, which is not enough circulation in the heart itself, leading to death. So like heart attacks, whereas we had 46 women, 84 men died of ischemic heart disease.
The medical doctor noted that men also lead in cancer deaths, primarily prostate cancer, which can be detected at an early stage and treated through early screening. Our men, she reminds, are the heads of households and needs to be healthy to perform their duties as breadwinners. Dr. Nixon believes men do need support from their partners or even man-to-man discussions, a space where they are comfortable. Dr. Nixon speaks of a health fair organized for men.
This is men. This is talking about men's issues. What are we going to do? Usual screening for hypertension, diabetes, make sure in your weight. Get interview like, do you smoke, do you drink, do you have any illnesses, what you're taking, blah, blah, blah. Have nutrition discussions, which is very important. Nutrition in preserving wellness, because we're really talking about making our men well. Have what we want to call our man cave, a place where for men, I'm not even going to go in there. I kid you not. It's a place where the man cave is a place where men will deal with men's issues like erectile dysfunction, issues like suicide and depression, issues like prostate cancer, prostate health in general. What happens?
It forms part of the Presentation Brothers College 75th anniversary celebrations. It takes place this Saturday at the Ariza Car Park in St. George's from 9 a.m. All men and boys are invited to get themselves checked. Christina John, GBN News.